This is ILAKKU, a disciplined self-hosted intraday platform built for traders who want control of every layer. What you're looking at this is a command center. From a single workspace, your watch list, your strategies, your positional leaders, your open positions, all in one consolidated outlook. Every strategy you build, ORB, R factor, or a custom positional model, surfaces its signal here side by side. Inside settings, you configure the entire account, total deployed capital, daily loss cap, maximum concurrent positions, a single toggle between paper routing and live routing, position sizing rules, per strategy loss limits, per day total loss limits, every guardrail turned to the operator risk appetite, and the system log, an admin view of which engine is running, which has tailed, which has failed. A strategy builder is the core of the platform. You can compose any number of strategies, each one fully custom. For an ORB setup, the session window, the minimum range, the volume multiplier, the volume loopback, the gap floor and ceiling, and the entry time frame, your stop loss model, partial booking, trailing logic, capital allocation, and display time frame. R factor configurations are independent. Each strategy carries its own DNA. Nothing here is generic. Every parameter is yours. The positional leader module screens for multi-day leadership. Start with relative strength across 3 and 6 months window. Ranked on configurable parameters, a bridge between intraday and a longer holding view. Analytics is your performance ledger. Today, last 7 days, all time, trade counts, win rate, sector level ranking, which sectors are leading, which symbols are carrying that move. Every metric drilled down to the underlying trade. Charting is built on TradingView canvas. Each watch list row open its own chart. Expand any chart to full screen, drag and drop the layout. Switch time frame from 1 minute to 30 or a day time frame. See exactly where the long was triggered, where the short fired, where the exit happened. Themes are flexible, dark, light, neutral. Every component recolors instantly. Execution is the part most platform gets wrong. From the chart itself, you can place an order. Just like Zerodha or Grow, swipe between symbols with keyboard shortcuts, next chart, next signal. But and this is the most important part. ILAKKU is not a manual trading tool. The execute button exists for override. The system itself runs end-to-end fully automatic. Signals flow from scanner to risk engine to broker. No human in the path. Every strategy has a hard cap, 3 concurrent positions by default. The moment that ceiling is hit, no further orders flows through. Discipline is enforced in the code, not in the willpower. Paper and live run side by side. Switch a strategy from paper to live with one toggle. Open position close right from this view. The system updates in real time. What you have seen isn't a packaged product. These aren't strategies for sale. ILAKKU is a demonstration of what a custom built self-hosted trading system can look like. Engineered around one trader specification, risk model, and a workflow. If you need a system tailored to your edge, not a template, not a subscription, a system built around how you trade, reach out, let's build it.